Self-care routine. So remember that time, not even, each time you wake up, there's tons of thoughts in your mind. Well, in a self-care routine, you stop. You focus on breathing in and slowing down and taking much more consciousness of the choices that we make within the day. And that's a routine that you can apply in your everyday so that then you emotionally, mentally feel strong. As a routine, I just listen to what I want to do. And for this time around, that's what I want to show you. It's not about stressing out. Like right now, 8% wasn't able to show or record the whole thing, but that happens, and it's like that, taking it super chill and going about your day and doing activities that you want to do, that you feel like doing, that you know that will make you feel much more conscious and mindful of what you're wanting to reflect or release. So I jog, I get ready, I go for a jog with no music. I also wake up to no phone, no alarm. There's nothing booked or multitasking in the day. I just go about it normally and see what happens. No plans. I just normally these days to be on my own, but that's because I want to just do activities where I am more reflective and much more conscious of my well-being throughout the day. So I stretch, I jog. It's a sense of calm. It's a sense of feeling ease. That's, to me, a self-care routine, and that's what I want to show you. So I relax, I stretch. There's no need for a spa or going crazy. It's about knowing your everyday and knowing how you want to spend your time. It's not clear, and it's really difficult, I know. And we all have different lives going on, different activities. Some of us can only take a day off from our everyday activities. Some of us only have our bedtime. But if you do take some time off, do it. Even if it's for an hour or two, breathe in and sort of like reflect. I take some oatmeal, and because I'm like, let me see if this will help with my acne. Hit myself with vinegar because I laugh about it, and then apply it on my skin. I don't normally do this all the time on my self-care day, but I felt like doing this, sort of like how I'm applying my castor oil. This I do every day actually, because it's amazing. Like, it's crazy good. My lashes have grown so much. But going back to taking care of yourself, dive into taking care of yourself. You're so important. You're so incredible. And the space and time that you take to dedicate to refueling your engine, to refueling yourself, these qualities are not easy at all. And it's hard to commit, especially throughout our busy lives. But do it. Read a book. Drink a cup of tea. Stare outside. There's so many activities. There's not a specific routine. I'm just showing you activities that I do. Close your eyes. Breathe. I'll list some of the activities that you can do in the descriptions, but I'm asking you to just slow down and take care of yourself, because this life is so beautiful, and it's easy to forget how amazing it is and how incredible and magical it is just to be present. It's a routine that is modified based on your needs, but please, the biggest thing that I want you to get out of this video that I made, why you're doing them and how they're making you feel. Take care.